Following up them will be Daniel Moultrie and Chris LeFay. Beautiful, nice, tight two-element formation. And then we will have our solo airplane coming by, easy to fly formation. And last but not least, of course, Mark Lee. So they learned all of their instrument, all their formation, and this was the first airplane that they had a retractable landing gear, a constant speed propeller. So there was a lot of things that, and more horsepower, of course. So there was a lot of things to learn in this airplane, and it taught them well. North Americans should be proud of this airplane as they are. Served with so many different countries. There we have the Diamond with what we call the Stinger. Up and away. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. I know they like the soda pop and all that, but get some water. I tell you what, none of us would be here if it wasn't for these people. These are the sponsors that I would like. Isn't that beautiful sound? Nothing sounds any sweeter than that. And nothing sounds as They made a little over 15,000 of these during the war. I can't tell you right to the airplane how many is flying today, but there's probably... To Matt, as he goes by. Oh yeah, Matt Jackson out there in the Twin Beach. Anyway, his tailorcraft, as I say, the SWIC conversion, and they replace the control column. And he'll hold the stick, the wheel rather, just a little bit forward to keep the tail up. What we call sticking the airplane on. And holding that tail up because you got enough airspeed, you have to do it, and pulling just a little bit of power probably, and using the brakes to do that. Okay, tail comes down. He'll use this next turn off. A different design. It's got a sunburst design. On the bottom wing, he's got horizontal stripes. Now the reason for that is, in aerobatic contest, the judges who judge the aerobatic maneuvers, they don't fly this low as you see in an air show. On a contest, up he goes, up he goes, up he goes, and now pushover at the top. That's a negative pushover, and down the backside. Now you'll utilize all this speed for an implement maneuver, which is 3/4 of a loop, right about there. Hold it. Now roll the airplane back over to upright. Now let's see if he makes a true implement or if he just cuts it off for a half implement. He does a half implement. Now a 1.5 turn spin, and there's one, and there's the half. Stops it right there. Now he'll pull it up and do a hammerhead stall turn with a 1/4 of a turn up. Nope, changed his mind. He does the implement, the second half of the implement. I see he's doing a half of a Cuban egg. All right, fine. Then a hammerhead up, coming out of that, trading off all that airspeed or altitude for airspeed. You can tell by the sound of the engine, he's got it humping pretty good. Now there's the 4-point roll. There's 3, and there is 4. Now you'll do his turnaround maneuver about here.